me, 837. And that's right on the corner there of 8th and Smuggler. We took you through that 2 weeks ago, and there is a video that's on Facebook and other social media sites for you to review just to see that one. But frankly, both of these are near mirrors of each other. There's a few differences inside, and I'll show you those. But these homes are just shy of 4,000 square feet. They've got an enormous garage, just over 600 square feet. I'll show you that, of course. Big 2-car garage, actually has an EV charger. I know I'm bouncing around a bit. I mentioned how close you are to the Aspen Music Festival and that whole campus. You're an easy 5-minute bike ride to downtown Aspen, all the restaurants and shops and activities. And in terms of getting to the ski slope in the winter, or getting to the bus to get up to the Bells during the summer, we're just 1 block away from the bus stop. Okay, so here's the entrance. I'm going to give you a quick look with a little zoom here if I do this right, and you'll see some of the features of the exterior. There's a beautiful barrel rolled ceiling that's in the 4th bedroom and what would be an office perhaps. That's just off the main living area, which is upstairs, kitchen, living room, etc. And then we'll just kind of come on in. You can see that we're still working, and I'll take you through what's going to be the front door here. And try not to step on myself. Right here you are in the front hallway. And as you look around, you'll see what will be a little bit of a vestibule here. Likely there'll be a bench here, as well as perhaps a cubby or a great place for a piece of art. But on this ground floor, the configuration is 3 bedrooms, 3 baths, laundry room, as waiter, lots of storage, as well as this 2-car garage. So I'm at the front door. You look all the way down the hallway, the darkened doorway, that's the 2-car garage. We'll go in there in a moment. And just in terms of the configuration of the whole house, this is a 4-bedroom, 5.5 bath with an enormous bonus room down below that can be used for a bunk room, media room, game room. There's a little bar down there. Take your pick. It's great. So let's go into what is in the master, or what would be the master. And you can see that that's denoted by this beautiful fireplace, and there'll be a flat screen TV included above that. And here we are. Beautiful. 9-foot ceilings, and we're all rocked in, as you can see. High quality windows, and here's your master. You'll see a couple of the fellas working. I mean, they're trying to get this done. Completion date on this, as I understand it, could be as early as late August. Probably to be safe, we talk about September. Hey there, thank you. These guys just keep on going. We appreciate it. So let me see if I can't tilt this a bit over here, and you'll see what will be the shower enclosure, European glass, etc. Steam shower here. And then we're working on where the tub will be. That'll be gorgeous. And then that's where you'll see 1 sink for him and 1 vanity and sink for her. And then you'll come on through this master bath into a spacious and open master closet, his and hers. And that'll be finished out with pine cabinetry, drawers, etc. You won't have to finish that yourself. If I didn't show you I don't have to show you too many commodes. Let's see if this thing turns around on the sure. But that's where the toilet will be. Nice and private. So again, your master, okay? And again, that was to the right as we walked in the front door. Now let me just reorient you here. There's our front door. There's our garage. Hello, my friend. Hi, thank you. These guys are really cooperating with me today. Just take a minute. So this is bedroom number 1. Or rather, guest number 1, pardon me. So bedroom number 2 of 3 down on this ground floor. We'll call this guest number 1. Just to make it clear, as we're just passing another worker, all of these bedrooms are going to be en suite in terms of the bathrooms. You're beginning to see some finish level here with the tile. I'll get close on that. And then all of them have a walk-in closet. So very convenient. Homes like this from this developer are designed in such a way where they're user-friendly. They're much like the homes that you'll see perhaps in places like Houston, Dallas, Miami, as they have these 2-car garages, that they have these big bedrooms, as they have these walk-in closets, etc. So let me quickly show you the dumbwaiter. That's nice. As I click around here, and that accesses all 3 levels, downstairs, this ground level, and upstairs. And that's nice that you come in that garage and you've got your groceries, or you got your luggage, or you got a couple cases of wine. So that's really, really nice. All right, coming down into what would be the 3rd bedroom on the ground floor, and essentially what would be guest bedroom number 2, as you've seen the master, guest 1, now guest 2 of 3. Again, nicely lit, tall ceilings, And as I mentioned, we'll have en-suite bath as well as walk-in closet. And let me get you a look as we're getting some nice design work in here. I know there's a little bit of a glare, but that is what that material looks like. Beautiful, beautiful high-end tile. Okay? So let's make our way to a couple other things. And I want to get you upstairs because that's going to be incredible. And I am moving a little bit slow here, so let's speed it up a bit. This is a laundry room. When I talk about amenities that don't exist in Aspen and you're just banged into a small space, I mean, who has a laundry room? I mean, this is a big spot, folding area, sink, dual side-by-side laundry, and then this is a mudroom. So not only are you coming in, you'll greet your guests at the front door, as I showed you, but this is where you're coming into the house. And then you'll come right in and take off your shoes on a bench or two with some storage and cubbies. And then you can, throw your stuff right in the washing machine. A little more sound here, but I'll just give you a look at this 2-car garage. The doors are not in, but you've got 2 doors and you've got a people access over here. Enormous. You got room for 2 cars. I know a few people here in Aspen that keep 2 cars. And bikes galore and all your camping equipment. Put a raft in here, just enjoy the heck out of it. And we'll include an EV charger for you, which is exciting because if you're not aware, then you can park your car in the Aspen area with some special consideration for parking fees. All right. So now we're going to head up. I'm excited to show you this. And the real selling point to this home and the beauty of it really is its design. And I'll stand here for a minute just to be careful. But you're getting a look at, I'm going to zoom up a bit. You're getting a look at essentially a wall of glass. That's south facing with views. I'll show you those. And those are a line or a row of pocket windows. Most of the wood that you're seeing in here, I'll show you the ceiling. You're probably looking at a little bit of that. That's white oak. The floors will be finished the same. Base and case the same. But the operation of those windows is absolutely gorgeous. Wintertime, of course, closed, maybe except for spring. And man, when you open those up, they go away in the wall and you just got a big open picture frame of what our beautiful town is all about. So give you a little zoom here as I'm coming up. There's the finished level. This is stained white oak, gives you a really good idea. And we go here on this cantilever type surface from what is essentially 9 feet all the way to 14. So that's really nice. Let's bring you back down to earth, okay? So here I go. Let's operate these doors. And then I'll show you the rest of this area. This is a open concept room. It's going to essentially be the kitchen, the living area, and informal dining. But watch this. Take this. Sorry for the noise. And there you have it. So this will be finished, of course. It'll be rocked out. They're not quite done with the chum. And then this other setup over here will disappear as well. Fantastic. So here you've got a huge outdoor deck. I'm going to scan down here. Check this out. That's going to be snow melted, so you won't have to worry about that. There's going to be a stub out for gas, and it's also being reinforced for a hot tub. And as I step out, you'll get a better sense of where we are, what we're looking at. Sorry. Lots of noise out here, so I won't stay here. But that's Highlands Bowl over there. Sorry. So essentially, this is what you're looking at. Now you're due west. Okay. Back over here to essentially the Highlands area. And then during the wintertime, these are some beautiful cottonwoods. You're going to be looking at parts of Aspen Mountain and, of course, parts of what would be Shadow Mountain. All right, let's take a look back at what is a good vantage point to see the main living area, fireplace, of course, flat screen TV. I'll move you down a bit just to get us back to level. And your living area will essentially be in front of the TV and the fireplace. And then we'll move you over here, and you're going to see that we've already got some cabinets in. We're getting the kitchen in. It's highly German engineered, beautiful cabinetry, and really a system of cabinets that'll be nice and clean. The style, of course, will be contemporary, or what we call mountain contemporary. Got these nice warm woods and mixed media, stone, etc. And that will be your kitchen. So let's walk over here. The door is the pantry. Who's got a pantry in Aspen? You know, always slamming things in the cabinet. So let's stand here as though we're in the kitchen. And again, you're looking at the beautiful open window. And look at the transoms up above too, as you get up into the 14-foot high cantilevered ceiling. got to slow down a bit. So that gives you a good sense of that. Just a little update on showings, etc. We are open in Pickens County for and in the city of Aspen for in-person showings. We can't do open houses yet. There's the dumbwaiter I mentioned. Sorry for the jerk. Again, that's really convenient. And in terms of having open houses, it looks like that may happen. Can't say. You never know what kind of news we'll see in the next couple days or what Pickens County will do. But the great news is that in Garfield County and down in Eagle County, we can do open houses now. And perhaps Pickens County will file suit. We'll certainly let you know. But I can show this to you privately anytime. Please call me. If I didn't tell you about the website, that's westendhome.net. Westendhome.net. And I have this listed with Craig Morris. Contact me or Craig for a private showing or additional information. I am in what is the fourth bedroom, the third guest. And this is on the main upstairs level. And you'll see that we've got a beautiful barrel rolled ceiling that I showed you on the outside and these really neat windows. And again, those transoms are really quite remarkable. And then when I take you out the front here, again, lots of cottonwoods, next door neighbor there. And through the trees during the wintertime, when there's no leaves, you'll be seeing a good view of Red Mountain. To your right would be Smuggler. Again, fantastic location, beauty all around. And you know, this fourth bedroom up here that's adjacent to the kitchen can be used as a guest, can be used as an office, can be used for both. All right, so I'm running out of time. I'm going to circle down if I can and quickly take you downstairs. You've seen 4 bedrooms. You've seen 4 baths and suite. I didn't show you the powder up here on this main level. So far you're at 4, let's call it 4.5. Actually, it's 4 3/4. Thank you, my friend. I'm going to make my way down. Okay. These guys are the carpenters and the artisans of the house, really the artisans. They've done such a great job with more white oak here. Let me see if I can't flip this around. Sorry for the jerk, but you can see what we're up to here. And that'll be fantastic. There'll be a nice, you know, at least in the last project, they had a steel and glass banister, which is really beautiful and really enhanced it. Again, that mixed media idea is really fun. There's that dumbwaiter again. There's some storage in terms of another closet. And here, try to show this to you if I can zoom up a bit. There's a look at the end of what is a tremendously large bonus room. You've got a bar there, okay? And take a look at the ceiling. You've got some underlit coffered ceiling there, really nice. That'll be dramatic. And then spot for that big screen TV. Of course, that electronic, that amenity is included. And yeah, you can see that would be very similar to the upper space where the kitchen, living room, and formal dining would be. Again, you could have a sitting area there. You could put a pool table here. And you know, that's all I've got for you. Let me give you a quick look at me here again. I want to thank you. Again, Scott Bayhams, Craig Morris have the listing. We're at 825 West Smuggler and 837 West Smuggler. If I didn't mention the price, we're just shy of $8 million, 795. So please give us a call. Happy to help you, and I appreciate your time. I hope you have a great day. Stay safe and healthy.